Hello and welcome to Luscombe Mitsubishi Leeds walk round video PHEV 4HS that we have in stock. 2018, last of the 2 litre engine ones. A lot of spec on this one with it being a 4HS. It's got all the safety features, 360-degree camera, also front and back parking sensors. Finished in sterling silver, which is a beautiful colour. Diamond cut alloy wheels. With it being the 4HS, like I say, it's got the power tailgate on it. Just open that for you. Great size family car. Will seat 5 adults with luggage. You've got your home charging cable there. Obviously, boot protector in this one. Power tailgate. Down she goes. 2 petrol flaps. This side's your fuel one. When you've got a full tank and a full battery in this one, you've got a range of over 500 miles, so there's no range anxiety whatsoever. Obviously, being a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, it primarily is an EV, which you'll get your first solid 30 miles on pure EV before there's any assistance from the petrol engine needed. And then all you'll hear is your petrol engine infrequently starting every so often, just trickle charging your batteries to maintain a 30% charge in it. I'd like to take you inside now just to let you have a look at the interior, because they're slightly different. Just a few more buttons in these, over and above on the 4H, as you would expect. Full leather, electric driver's side seat there. You've got all your electric window switches and so on. The mirrors, they are actually retractable when you lock the car, and also they're heated as well. I'll just move inside the car. This one is an ex-Mitsubishi vehicle, exceedingly low mileage, only done 8,700 miles. We'll take the satellite navigations out for security reasons, but that's where your 7.5-inch screen would go, which also doubles up as your rear camera and also your satellite navigation. The car does run Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. On your steering wheel there, your multifunction, you've got all your controls for your media at this side, to turn your volume up and switch between SD cards, phone, MP3 players and so on, and you can click your radio stations. Then you move a bit further down there, fully voice activated this one, so once your phone is paired to the vehicle, press the button and basically tell it what you want to do, so you can make a call through that, or you can read text messages. You can actually speak text messages and it will send them for you through there. Down there you've got the heated steering wheel and also the heated front screen, and then when we move down there you've got the heated front seats also. With it being a PHEV, no gearbox involved, so no unnecessary clutch wear in these. You've just got a drive selector, half for reverse, N for neutral, D for drive. 2 buttons there, basically do what they say. That's your charge button, so you can demand the engine start up to charge your batteries, and then once you're on the motorway at higher speeds above 70, you can press the save button, and what it'll basically do, it'll just use the petrol power to turn your wheels as opposed to using the batteries and the petrol. You've got your 4-wheel drive, so if driving conditions change, obviously snow, rain, muddy field, you can press that button and it'll lock it into 4-wheel drive. Unnecessarily summertime driving, just leave it in auto, and majority of the time it's running mainly the front wheel, so it's a 70-30 split on that one there. And then your EV button there, that's basically, you can force it to stay in EV, so that's really good for city driving, you know, keep the emissions down, lowering your own carbon footprint as well, and doing your own little bit for the environment. With it being the 4HS, these are your extra buttons. The S basically stands for safety, so it's a lower insurance grouping because it's got a few more bits and bobs on it. You've got your FCM on that button, which is front collision mitigation, so it's not going to stop you having an accident, but you can have a nicer one or a slower one, because car will help you and it'll distribute braking where needed and so on, and if you'd have no input, the car will try stop itself as well. And then you've got the lane departure, next one to it, LDW. You can turn your ultrasonics off when parking, so you can turn your front parking sensors off. Next one to that, you've got your ultrasonics free alarm, and then you've got your power tailgate button there. On your steering wheel, conventional cruise control, but with it being the 4HS, it also has adaptive cruise control. So basically you set the distance. If anybody pulls in front of you, car will brake automatically for you to maintain that safe distance that you've set the vehicle at, and also speed. Once that obstacles moved out of the way, the car will just proceed back to its designated speed that you've set it to. As you would expect, auto lights, auto wipers, just makes it a great equipped car. Low emissions also, so congestion free in these, which that is coming in Leeds as well, even though it's only in London at the moment. But I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, by all means just give us a shout. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.